brush is a tool designed for professional cleaning of tires, rubber elements, and even wheel arches. Its stiff, synthetic, slightly wavy bristles effectively remove stubborn dirt, old dressings, and greasy buildup without the risk of damaging the rubber. The compact, curved shape perfectly follows the tire profile, even on low-clearance vehicles. An ergonomic handle ensures comfortable use, while the hanging hole makes drying after use quick and easy. Willy Willy delivers durability, comfort, and perfectly clean tires ready for dressing, just like in a professional detailing studio. Complete your detailing lineup with professional-grade accessories from Work Stuff.